How to switch between your Facebook accounts or how to switch account on Facebook. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. And this video today, let me go and show the steps on how you can switch between accounts in Facebook. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go right through. In order to switch in between accounts and Facebook, you want to open up Facebook app. Now here you can see I'm on my Facebook page right now, currently here, not my account. But if I tap on the hamburger icon, the profile and the hamburger icon at the bottom right, and I can tap on switch account here, I can switch to my particular Facebook account. Now watch if I want to add other account and switch quickly in between those. Well, in that case, it's simple. You want to tap on the menu icon at the bottom right, then tap on the arrow icon here at the top, and you want to tap on add your Facebook page. You can either create a new Facebook profile or log into new account here. Now here, this is an option to create the Facebook page, right? Now this is my page is here. Now what I can do is I can scroll down, tap on log out, proceed to log out, and then log into another account and add that account. And once I have multiple accounts added, I can either log in and log out quickly this way because my password and credentials will be saved, or I can quick log in from here. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.